a system that adapts, an algorithm that learns, the trading heart everyone's ever wanted.
It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It does the markets and build its matrix. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess. It doesn't guess. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't guess. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't. Leopard Scalper is not a trading bot. It's an intelligence you won't regret you bought. MT4 and MT5, any broker, any market. One app, one commander, a heart that doesn't forget. Coming very soon, to be forever yours, with no strings attached. Leopard Scalper AI, always protect your capital first. Leopard Scalper AI, Leopard Scalper AI. Leopard Scalper.
A system that adapts, an algorithm that learns, the trading heart everyone's ever wanted.
It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It learns the markets and builds its matrix. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It learns the markets and builds its matrix. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't. Leopard Scalper is not a trading bot. It's an intelligence you won't regret you bought. MT4 and MT5, any broker, any market. One app, one commander, a heart that doesn't forget. Coming very soon, to be forever yours, with no strings attached. Leopard Scalper AI, always protect your capital first. Leopard Scalper AI, Leopard Scalper AI.
This is a new broker, so he didn't trade it. He still has to. He's still checking the patterns of this one.
A system that adapts, an algorithm that learns, the trading heart everyone's ever wanted.
I activated this one a few hours ago, so he's still checking it out before he starts firing.
And builds its matrix. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It knows the markets and builds its matrix. It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks. It doesn't guess, it doesn't. Leopard Scalper is not a trading bot. It's an intelligence you won't regret you bought.
These are all new instruments from the new broker. Here he already deactivated a few strategies for individual instruments.
Coming very soon, to be forever yours, with no.
So he's still in learning process. All in all, he's learning
always protect your capital first.
781 instruments times 10 strategies. You have 7,811 and 10 pairs, instrument strategy pairs. Here you have all the strategies. The last one is a local strategy, not one that's on the server, but a local one that is a template that everyone can use and build with his own strategies locally.
A system that adapts.
This is the tab where you can build your own strategy.
The trading heart
You can build it with any coding program, Python. These are the 17 live metrics which evaluate every strategy. You can go here on Analyze Now. It analyzes
It doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks, it doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks, it doesn't guess, it doesn't do tricks, it doesn't guess, it doesn't. Leopard Scalper is not a trading bot.
and then it tells you which it recommends you which one it would disable. The worst strategies, the strategies with the worst performance, you can deactivate them, and if you go on auto apply, it deactivates them automatically. But this is based globally on the strategies. It has nothing to do with the learning matrix. This is only the strategies. But of course, if you deactivate the worst ones, it will perform even better. But I don't want to deactivate because I want my system to continue on learning. And it already learned 389 patterns. Every time you hear the bell, it's a position opening. He's opening a trade. One of the strategies opens a trade, you hear the bell. So you know when your system is opening trades. This is the learning activity monitor. It tells you what it does when learning, balance history, portfolio health. Oscillator, it tells you if your portfolio is balanced. Like if you have an equal amount of buy and sell positions, this is the directional bias. Here you have, and then it explains, it explains here at the bottom, like for example, participation. You have 5 out of 10 strategies are now active, participating. Okay, that's moderate. This is why you have here 50%. Then you have the worst positions. I don't want to close them yet, okay, because I want to see how worse they become. So let's see. And these are the ones that are drawing, that do the most drawdowns. There are others also, and not only these, but and you can close them. You can close the drainers. Okay, so the ones that drain your account down, you can close them manually here, and it will close them all in your terminal. They will all be closed at once. What else? Time decay drainers, 50 positions, stuck more than 5 days. Okay, and you can tell your system to close them automatically. This means all the positions that have been stuck in loss over 5 days can be automatically closed. If you have gold, for example, gold goes up forever. Okay, so for scalping, it's good. 5 minute scalping, 15 minute scalping, it comes up, it goes down, it comes up, it goes down. But if you're a day trader, if you trade long, then this is interesting because gold, for example, will never come back down. It keeps on going up, 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 up. It keeps on going bull. So if you have a position that's very, very far down, selling instead of buying, then forget it. It's gonna drain your account forever. Better close it. Yeah.
A system that adapts.
This is amazing. This program here is amazing. It's amazing. And you have you can build your wild card. So when you build your wild card, that's what you get. Everyone can build his own web card. Sorry, what am I saying? Wild? Yeah, because it's wild. Everyone can build his own web card. So you go on the website. What's the password? Okay, so you go on the website, you go here in directory, and here you see you already have 2 members who did their web cards. I'm the fleet Admiral. This is my web card, and here you will see my statistics. I don't know why the statistics are not coming out. They were. I still have to work on that a little. Let me work on that. But then you can share. You can share. You have your web card address here. You can copy. You can open. Yeah.
Always protect your capital.
You have your web card status here. You can update it if you don't want to show your balance. If you don't want to show your demo account, you just want to show the real account. If you don't want to show your terminal cards, what are the terminal cards? And then you go here, update web card. You can delete it, whatever. So what are web cards? The web cards are these here, dashboard. It shows you your web cards. This means every terminal has its own card with its own P&L, profit and loss, amount, ID, magic number, instruments, it offers, how many open positions. So you can see what every single terminal does, or the status of every single terminal. These are the terminal cards. Yeah. Okay. What else can I show? Yeah, this is where you can build. when you build your strategy, this is where you can insert it locally. It's for you only, not shared strategies. So your own secret strategies, strategy matrix, matrix debate, news. We're gonna have the news here. We also have a new strategy. Strategies, the news feeder. Very good strategy. Very good strategy. Trades news. It trades news and makes big profits. So then you have the parameters. I think I showed this already. These are the strategy parameters, huh? You can change them here. Yes, and then the about. Very nice. Thank you.
Attached. Leopard Scalper AI. Always protect your capital first. Leopard Scalper AI. Leopard Scalper AI.